You jealous, ugly bitches? You know what? It's very perky black ass. And this one today, we're one of those bitches. Cause I'm a boss.
Before we get into this video is sponsored by Kneen.com. Kneen provides access to psychics and spiritual advisors who provide guidance and insight on life's challenges, clarity in love, relationships, career, and more. Kneen is also one of the most affordable ways to get an instant psychic reading by a professional at any time, 24/7. When you sign up, you will complete a brief questionnaire which will pair you with a list of recommended psychics based on your needs. Not only do you have the convenience of doing your psychic sessions from your home, but you can also choose how you would like to communicate with your psychic. Your options include online chat, email, reading, or phone call. Kneen is affordable, so as a new Kneen customer, you will receive your first 3 minutes free. Pricing then depends on which advisor you choose, and the services are backed with a satisfaction guarantee. And personally, guys, I recommend that you develop an ongoing relationship with the advisor that you choose, so please choose wisely. I'm calling in to do a follow-up. I just wanted to get clarity on a few things that we talked about previously. I advise that you create an ongoing relationship with a spiritual advisor on Kneen.com because I feel their senses are a tad bit stronger if you keep coming back. It's almost like they connect with your spirit, your aura, and it's easier to resonate with them again. So when it comes to Kneen.com, I really like getting clarity on things. And sometimes when it comes to my anxiety, sometimes I get a foggy headspace where I'm unsure. I don't know what to expect. I get nervous. Yes, I do pray, but I also like to speak with my spiritual advisor and get even more clarity. I mean, it's like getting more help on something. Yes, you can go to God. It doesn't replace him at all. It's just adding extra reassurance. It's almost like going to a guidance counselor or speaking to someone in your church, a deacon, having someone pray. It's the same thing to me. It's just a spiritual relationship development. That is what that is to me. I'm not trying to persuade you to do anything outside of your comfort zone if it goes against your religion or anything like that. This is just what I do, and it's really helped me, you guys. My experience with Kneen has been a very good one, and my spiritual advisor's name is India. I'll make sure to leave her personal information down below in the description box, but she's been very accurate with the timing of things, and lately the information or the advice that she's been giving me is just to go with the flow, don't pressure things when it comes to my love life, and just continue to go with the flow, and things will reveal itself and you're not being steered in the wrong direction. And she's very accurate with the timing of everything. Like, she has been so accurate with the timing of everything. So that has been my experience with Kneen, and I really enjoy getting my readings done every other month. Make sure you click the link down below in the description box because you will get your first 3 minutes free. Now let's go ahead and tune in for this video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be giving you guys a keto update, and also I'm going to be talking about keto and sex. Out of all the keto videos I've done, this is so important, especially if you're not trying to conceive or have kids. But there's just some things that are alarming when you are being sexually active on keto, especially if you're a teenager and you're doing keto and you're being sexually active. And I really want to talk about it because it's so important that you guys are 100% educated when it comes to keto. Not just the diet, not just the food that you eat, but also like other things that your body tends to go through when it comes to the keto diet or the keto lifestyle. First things first, pull out your phone and download the period tracker app called Eve so that you can start tracking your periods, because it's so important. Birth control is important too. I don't particularly like birth control because I don't like how it makes me fat. If you're not on birth control, you really need to download this app, okay? And if you have any recommendations for a natural birth control, please comment down below. Something that is successful, something that works, please comment down below. Now that you've downloaded the app, start tracking your periods so that you are 100% aware of what's going on with your body, your periods, and just your overall reproductive system. The Eve app is such a great app because it tells you when your period is going to start. It tells you how many days. It also will tell you when you're ovulating, when you're your most fertile. It gives you warnings so that you can plan ahead, so that you're not just out here winging it, girl, because that you are playing with fire, especially on keto. When you're on keto, that being fertile and your chances of pregnancy is just heightened by 90%. You just need to be careful. Now, there are some things that I recently noticed with my body, with being sexually active and then also being on keto, and I really wasn't expecting all of this. I'm gonna start with the fact when you're on keto, for whatever reason, I don't know the science, I haven't even done my research on this part of it, but you are more fertile than when you're not on keto. So, example, when you're ovulating, you tend to produce more discharge, and the discharge, it should be, okay? Anything outside of this, it could most definitely be a yeast infection, or you may have some other issue, okay? But if it's in this gray line, this gray area right here, it means that you are fertile. So what does that look like? It looks like a white milky substance. It's gooey. It kind of feels like mucus. That's like the best way that I can explain it. It's like milky looking. It could be a lot. It doesn't signal off yeast infection. It signals off that you are fertile, or it could be early signs of pregnancy. This discharge should only happen around that ovulation time. So you have your period, then like a few days pass, like maybe 3 or 4 days. I don't know how your ovulation process goes, and then you start ovulating. So during that ovulation period, you produce this discharge. You need to wear a panty liner because it could be a lot. Why does your body produce this discharge? So the discharge is being produced because you're ovulating. Your body wants you to fertilize an egg, so it's creating lubricant for you to be able to do that. So that is exactly what that is. Now, when it comes to early signs of pregnancy, I really didn't go into that. I was hoping that wasn't my situation. When it comes to this discharge, it should only occur during ovulation period, during being abstinent. Like, I didn't have this issue. It wasn't until after the fact. And it just seems like my body reacted to it like,
oh, she's trying to fertilize an egg now because she's having sex.
That's the vibes that I got from my body. I'm like, what the hell? Because this wasn't an issue before. All these responsibilities, you know, when you're not having sex, you don't have to worry about this shit. When you're on keto and you're being sexually active, you have to be responsible. I don't want you guys to get pregnant before you're ready to, you know what I mean? So you need to track your periods. You need to take your birth control if you're on birth control. If you're not on birth control, you need to be using condoms. And you need to be having sex with a responsible man. You need to have this keto conversation with your partner so that they're aware that they need to be extra careful because you're on the keto diet. And I know it's like, how do you tell a guy about you being on the keto diet and what it means? All you gotta do is take them to the Black Keto Girls page, pull her up on Instagram, and just go through all the different positive pregnancy tests that she be posting about how many keto babies she has. I think she's like at 130. And then just read the comments under those posts. Have him read the comments under the post so then he can see how serious it is. That's exactly what I did, y'all. It's a serious situation and it should not be taken lightly. That's the best advice that I can give regarding keto and having sex and being sexually active. You have to be extra careful, okay? You can't slack off. You cannot slack off. And to be 100% real with you guys, I would not do more than 1 round in a night unless you are using a condom. If you are not using a condom, you are really playing with fire. I don't know how else to explain it. No 2 and 3 rounds unless you are using a condom. But moving on, let me go ahead and give you my keto update. So my keto update, I'm currently sitting at 208 pounds. I've been keto lifestyle for about a year now, and I just hit my 1 year probably somewhere at the beginning of June. I don't know, somewhere in there. Or is it May? It's either May or June. I know I'm sitting in a year. I haven't had pasta or regular bread in a year, and honestly, I don't miss it. I don't miss the bloat. I don't miss the feeling full, extra full, like feeling like my buckle is just gonna pop off my pants. I don't miss it. There's so many alternatives out here when it comes to the keto lifestyle, so I don't feel like I need pasta. I don't feel like I need bread, especially when I can make me some almond flour bread. So I'm good on that area. I don't miss my skin breaking out. My skin, it's just been amazing while keto. My periods are regular. I have healthy periods, you know, to where it scares me sometimes, but they're healthy, and I've been able to keep the weight off. So I'm really happy with that. My goal was to reach 200 pounds. Now lately I've been slacking off. I've been dating and stuff, so it's like I haven't been as strict. But I recently got back into strict keto mode here, probably about, I want to say about 2 weeks ago. I was out of ketosis for about 3 or 4 weeks, and then I put myself back in ketosis because I was slacking off. Now when it comes to slacking off, I never go off the deep end. I don't eat bread, I don't eat pasta, but I was like slacking off with certain sauces. I was slacking off with honey. I was just slacking off with trail mix that had like little corn in it, and then I also had beans one time. But I never go off the deep end and eat bread and pasta. I try to stick to that main frame of the diet, like no bread, no pasta, not even on the cheap. So that has been my success though when it comes to that, restricting pasta and bread for certain. That's pretty much my keto update. I've been able to lose 42 pounds. My goal is to lose another 8, and I'm getting back into grind mode. I'm getting my mentality back to that grind period where I'm trying to drop weight, drop fat, burn fat. So that is where I'm at right now with keto. I know you guys want to see what I eat in a day type videos. I'm just like, oh my god, I want to, but then oh my god, I don't want to, because I know the keto police are gonna come after me. Okay, I don't do keto like how everyone else does keto. I do keto the way that I do keto, and it works for me. I've been successful. I'm not a strict keto person. I just know the keto police are gonna come for me if I start doing what I eat in a day videos, because I know they're gonna come for me. I'm still a fat girl at heart, and if I can find a way to get around a certain thing and still lose weight, then I'm gonna do it. And I know that's not the proper way of doing keto, but that's my way. And I've been able to lose 42 pounds, almost 50, and I've also been able to keep the weight off for a year now. So that is all that I have regarding this video, you guys. Comment down below, and if you have an experience similar to the one that I mentioned earlier in this video when it comes to sex and keto, or if you have information regarding sex and keto, to comment down below. And if you would like to see what I eat in a day videos when it comes to keto, give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!
Before I end this video, don't forget to check out Kneen.com. All links will be down below in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.